Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I am your teacher, Mrs. Fazana Munawar, and I will also teach you social studies for the grade 5th. Dear students, today we will start our first unit. Lesson 1, Map. Dear student, a map is an image of an area. You can say usually the earth or part of the earth. It is a drawing. A map is different from a photograph. A map shows the area of land. It includes interpretations. The word map also be used to talk about a chart. You can say a drawing that shows relationships between ideas, people, events, or anything else you can think about. You can say a map is a drawing to show some area of earth. This area may be land or the sea or the both. Dear student, a map shows us where one place is in relation to another place. There are many kinds of maps. Dear students, you have noticed when you are traveling somewhere and you don't know the exact location of that place, you often use Google Map. With the help of Google Map, you can find the place where you want to go. Today we will discuss different type of maps. There are many types of map, but in our book we will discuss only three main types of map. What are these? Physical map, political map, and third one is the relief map. Physical map. Dear student, physical map show the Earth's feature like landscape, rivers, valleys, desert, mountains, and oceans. You can say a map that shows the river, hill, mountains, landforms, the physical feature of the land are shown by a physical map. Here you can see a map. This map shows where are the hills. This brown color shows the hilly area. And this green color shows valleys and landform. And this blue color shows oceans, sea. Okay, physical map is a map that shows the physical feature of the land such as landforms, bodies of water, resources, where are the landforms, where are the valleys, and where are the hills located. Here you can see the physical map of Pakistan. You can see where are we? We are in Punjab. The area of Punjab is shown with green color because the area of Punjab is very plain. There are lush green landforms. So the area of northern areas are shown by brown color, means this area is hilly area. Okay, mostly the area of Balochistan is also shown by a brown color, means there are many deserts. And the area of China, Pak China border, white and brownish. It means this area is the mostly mountains in this area is covered with snow. So a physical map is a map that shows the physical features like river, lands, landforms, valleys, and hills are shown by a physical map. Political map. Dear student, a map that shows border between countries, cities, and towns is called political map. Here you can see every area is different from the other. This map shows different countries. This is a world map, and this shows the political features. Political features include boundaries. These boundaries are made by men. Okay, you can see maybe the pink color shows some specific area, and this uh, Red color shows some boundaries made by men. All these maps are shows border between countries, towns, city and continents. All these pictures indicate state and national boundaries. These critical map indicate where are the state and national boundaries. With the help of political map, we can label capital and major cities. A capital city is usually marked with a star within a circle. That shows where is a capital. The next one is a relief map. The relief map shows height and slopes. You can say the spot heights, triangular points, layer and hill shading. These all features are shown by a relief map. In simple word, we can say it is a map that is used to show height of hills and mountain. Okay, all the height of hills and mountains is always shown with the lines. You can see here. This is a relief map of Pakistan. Okay, these lines shows the height of hills and mountains with the help of lines drawn to show height in meters. Okay, dear students, today we learn about map, what is a map, and types of map. Okay, now you will do these 4 questions. First one is define map. What is what is a map? A map is a drawing made to show some area of earth. Question number 2. What information would you find on a physical map? A physical map shows hills, mountains, river and other landforms. Now come to the question number 3. What information would you find on political map? Dear students, political map shows borders between towns, cities and countries. It is also called administrative map. And which map shows height of hills? Yes, the last one, relief map shows height of hills. Now, you will do all these questions on your copy. I hope you will do your work very neatly on your copies. Okay, dear students, stay safe, stay home. Allah